Check those receipts. More than $7,000 for a Subway sandwich? What?
It's a lot of money.
After trying for nearly a month to get her money back for a $7,000 sandwich.
Vera Connor paid $7,112.98 for that Subway Italian sub.
I could have gone to Italy and gotten a sandwich for that.
Instead of Italy, she went to this College Park Subway. Connor only noticed the $7,000 bill later in the week when she checked her credit card statement.
I was like, oh my God, how did this happen?
Look at that number on the tip line, $7,105.44. Those are numbers from her phone number.
I was like, oh my God, this is my phone number. I must have been keying it in the pad and the screen's changed.
Even Subway employees were shocked by that sandwich total. That's the receipt.
Oh, damn. Wow.
What Connor thought would be a simple fix has been anything but. The store manager refused to discuss it